In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to assign records to a queue using Salesforce Flow, specifically with a record-triggered flow. This step-by-step guide will help you streamline your workflow and ensure that your records are automatically assigned to the right queues as they're created or updated. To get started, let's first ensure you are logged into Salesforce. After logging in, we'll head over to the Setup area. You can find this by clicking on the gear icon located at the top right of your Salesforce interface. Clicking it will bring down a menu, and from there, you'll want to select Advanced Setup. Once in Setup, navigate over to the Quick Find box, type in Flows, and this will direct you to the Flows section of Salesforce where we'll begin creating our record-triggered flow. In this area, you'll see an option to create a new flow. Click on New Flow and then select Record-Triggered Flow. This choice is important because it allows your flow to be activated by record changes, precisely what we need to assign records to a queue upon their creation or update. With that said, it's time to select the object that your flow will be targeting, such as a case or a lead. Choose the appropriate object for your process needs. After selecting the object, make sure to set the trigger to activate when a record is either created or updated. This setup ensures that whenever a new record enters your system or an existing one is updated, your flow will execute. Next, add an assignment element to your flow. This component is crucial as it dictates what will happen with the record as part of your flow. In the assignment element, you will find a place to specify both a variable and its new value. For the variable, you'll choose the record's owner id. This represents the field in your record that determines who or what is responsible for it. The value you'll assign to the owner id should be the ID of the queue you want the records to go to. You can easily find this queue ID by going into the queue record URL. Simply copy the ID from the URL and paste it where required. After setting the assignment element, it's time to connect all the elements within your flow. Make sure everything is linked correctly to guide the flow seamlessly from trigger to assignment. Once connected, take a moment to save your flow by clicking the Save button. Lastly, to make sure your flow goes live and starts doing its job, you'll need to activate it. Look for the Activate button and give it a click. Once activated, your flow will begin processing records as they're created or updated, automatically routing them to your specified queue. And there you have it. We've walked through the process of setting up a record-triggered flow in Salesforce to assign records to a queue. Keep experimenting and tweaking various flows to better fit your organizational needs. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide has been helpful to you.